Hello crafty friends. Today I was going to show you all the cards that we did for the Coloring Toolbox Retreat. And if you wanted an idea of what we were going to be doing in the future, this is kind of a preview, I guess. So on this one we learned about different colors of paper, shading, and different techniques for coloring. And then we colored some mylar balloons in this one. And this is a variation that we did. Then later we colored a new stamp by Whimsy that was exclusive for this one. And we colored this little girl. And she can actually be used in many different ways. You could turn her and put her in water, or she could be jumping, playing puddle jumping or whatnot. Next we went with this one and colored him together, and this was a project that you were able to alter the hair if you wanted to. So this would be like an alternative if you wanted to do a girl with long hair. Then we colored him again and focused on a shadowing of the faces. And for Halloween, we added all of the spider webs, and then I completed this one, the card at home. Here are some other variations of this stamp. Just give you an idea that there are so many things that you can do with the same stamp. And then lastly, we did a creative project together, and this is the memento that I got to come home with. And then I also had her again, and I colored her on my own, and that's what we came up with. So hopefully you can join me next time for the Coloring Toolbox Retreat. I do have 2 of them scheduled in 2023, and one in the spring, May, and one in September. So check out my blog, and hopefully you can register, and one of those dates will work for you. And then all the projects that you make, I like to have them all finished. And so when you go home, you're going to have finished designs as well as learning all of these little tools to put in your toolbox. So, hope you have a great day.